Biara hasoko Abawakili BOBORIMO mocho BOSONGO eye maiga yabanyanyimbo gokora obunyabyo butindi maiga yokonyora chiroboti buna abantu mbare babeire kubakorwa obokoreri buna Abawakili batabwati masakara y'ekisemicho munyakero gobwe kiombe kia Law Society of Kenya LSK horosagero county ya Kisii Delvin Biaki niga kwanire gakorekyo asegeta seni kia banyanyimbo ya Kisii Central limeyo mocho BOSONGO.
This morning we were called from the Kisii County Public Service Board. There have been complaints since the board advertised various positions that are supposed to be filled by the Kisii County government, and there are complaints that there are people who are hanging around the board offices who are masquerading as advocates, who are misleading members of the public, and that we are also having cyber offices that are within that region, within the board offices, who have stamps, advocate stamps. They are certifying documents, they are commissioning ESCC documents without being advocates. And so we put our house in order and we moved there swiftly. We were assisted by the Kisii police station. We were given 2 officers. We got to the place, we got to a cyber. We sent one of the people who wanted to get services. They went to that place. They were given cyber services, and then they were asked whether they would wish to get advocate services at the cyber. They were assisted by that person who was serving at the counter of the cyber. Their documents were stamped, their documents were commissioned, and it's at that point that we came in and we found them in the process of executing duties that are for advocates when they are not advocates.
Today we managed to arrest 3 of them. We, together with the stamps they were using. We did call the advocates that their stamps were being used, and they confirmed to us that they don't know such individuals, and they said suspects are already in custody. Yes.
Nimefika public service board ku apply for my brother na nimepata advocate akaniambia lipa shilingi 300 tukusaidie ndio uingize makaratasi. So our governor alisema hakuna mambo na pesa kupeleka makaratasi kwa board, na ndio nimeshangaa mbona tena tunapata watu wamesimama kwa gate wanatuambia tupeane pesa. So na ilikuwa exercise ya free, so wacha waanze kuharibia governor CV yake aendelee kufanya kazi yake. Mimi nitapeleka hivi vitu na tutahakikisha mtoto apewe haki yake.
Because I was not aware what is going on, and then from there they asked me who signed for you. I directed them to the man who signed for me. They arrested the man. Is at the Kisii Central.